Today I will be talking about Fedora Scientific Linux. It is a part of the Fedora Scientific, or I'll call it Fedora Labs, and I'll be discussing all the Fedora Labs one by one in the future videos. I have downloaded Fedora Scientific Linux for now. The reason why I have chosen is that it has got factory fitted C, factory fitted C++, Python, Java, R programming, all the tools which you need to do scientific work. For example, Python. I mean, you already know Python. I don't need to give you any extra introduction of it. GNU plot, which is an alternative of MATLAB, and here you can use this to work around like publication ready graphs and figures, and GNU scientific library. Okay, LaTeX, which is a very common and popular scientific tool for scientific applications. So just let me go to new and FEDORA science. Okay, folder. I choose some folder. You can choose any folder. I create a new folder over here. Okay, so I just create. I've done it, and ISO image. I go to other. This is the Fedora Scientific KDE, which is a ISO disk image file. It is a very large file of approximately more than 4.9 gigabytes. You can see over here. I click on it, and then I click on next, and I choose more RAM with single core processor, just to avoid any sort of trouble later on. Okay, and this is the virtual hard disk, 60 GB. I click on finish and I click on start. Now this should start up. I'm expecting it to work. Okay, now here I have to do some little bit of settings. Okay, I go to capture. So I start Fedora Scientific. I am choosing scale mode so that it is easy for me to have view of the screen, and I maximize it now. Everything looks good so far. It's starting up. Yes, I forgot to tell you the software which I used was this one. That was Oracle VirtualBox. You can here you can see it is written Oracle. You can get it from the website of Oracle. Coming back to the IBM Fedora, starting up, started. It has got all the things which you will find in Windows. First of all, let me talk about the Open Terminal. I am starting the terminal, and it is comparative to the CMD or command prompt in Windows. As I told you, it has got Java. Now let me test Python. So yes, it has got Python also. Let me look at other tools which are factory fitted inside it. I go to development. In development, you will find Julia, or that's another Qt environment. I have got JDK, Java Development Kit, Python IDLE. In education, I have got Jupyter. Okay, LibreOffice. LibreOffice is also there. Games is not important. Graphics. Many good graphic tools are there, like Inkscape, GNU Image Manipulator. Let me just reduce the hardware consumption. Okay, LibreOffice Draw. These are free opens. Yes, you can work around internet. No questions on that. And multimedia office. It has got complete set of LibreOffice LYX. No, this one is interesting. Let me give you a little introduction of it. Okay, so for now, let me just close it away. LYX is starting up. Now this is what you see, what you get. I mean, I just go to file, new from template. Okay, so cancel. Okay, and view. Uh, so here, whatever I am writing, that will be converted to a LaTeX code. Yes, it has got LaTeX also. Let me work around it. TEX text. LaTeX is there. So let us see what all does it have. Utility system, antivirus is there. I'm sorry, firewall is there. I'm sorry for that. Firewall is there. Scientific calculator is also there. So here you are, scientific calculator, because as I have told you, this is a scientific Linux. Okay, let me zoom around it. Zoom. Okay, science mode. You will get hyperbola, sine, cos, tan, log, factorial, x to the power y. Okay, all the good calculations you will get here. Okay, and view. Code preview में. Now here you can see that whatever I am writing is getting converted to LaTeX code as it is. So these are the reasons why you should switch to Fedora Scientific Linux. You don't have to install anything from scratch. You will get all the tools which are already there in Windows and plus some extra tools too. So stay in touch and stay updated for more videos. Goodbye.